Hello everyone and welcome to the demonstration of ToDoist. I have used a couple of applications and project management tools in the past, but this is the one which I felt which is easily manageable and extremely in a small size, which is somewhat very good to handle things easily, faster and into a simple steps. So I have been using this since past 4 months, and I personally use it for my project development as well as management as well as internal team assignments and also some of the personal tasks. So what you have to do is just hit todoist.com and hit enter. You will be redirected to a beautiful home page wherein you get an option to sign up or log in with Google. Once you get registered and get into the system, you will be generally having this dashboard. Which looks very simple, very pretty, and very outstanding. The simplicity of this dashboard makes extremely easy for me to understand the things at a one view. So let's start with the options available on this dashboard. This is the logo of Todoist. When we click it, it will refresh the home page and refresh all the tasks. This is a plus icon wherein you can add a task, or you also have a shortcut by typing Q. You will have the same box. This is a notification section. This is a very important thing on which I'll be coming later. This is the basic settings wherein you can sync manually and it automatically syncs immediately. But still, if you think there is any internet connections with your system, then you can sync manually to assure that your data has been synced perfectly. Basic Todoist settings wherein you can change the color, the look and feel, what do you want to see on the home page and everything, etc. You can print the current page. You can try Todoist Premium wherein you get additional options. You can also go for Todoist Business, which is also a good option wherein you will get an API from Todoist and you can do a couple of things with that. You can merge Todoist with something else if you are using some personal softwares, or you are already using some big softwares to manage your projects and you need something smaller to be implemented for tasks. You can use this. Similarly, Todoist support, blog wherein you can read more about Todoist, keyboard shortcuts. You have a long list of keyboard shortcuts and it's just awesome. Log out. You have the apps for Android, BlackBerry, Windows, iPhone, and more. You will have a list of it. It has everything. Okay, so as I said, I use it for project management, team communications, and also some personal tasks. So let's say in my terms, I'll start with creating a project. What I'll do is I'll click on add project here. I'll type develop Facebook. This is my project. So I've added this project. Oh, I missed that. Just a minute. Anytime if I miss anything, I can click it and do edit project. I can choose the filter for this. Generally how I use these colors is if any of my project is going smooth, then there will be green. If anyone is critical, I will choose red. If there is something in between or critical or depending on someone's dependency or something, I'll choose other options. You can also go through. So let's start with green. Okay, once I create a project, I have this page which is develop Facebook project created. You have an option here to add task. Also, oh good, they are already suggesting me something, so let's try this. This is a share option where you can add your team. Okay, so I have a team. I'll add it analyst at EditWorld.in. I hit enter. The moment I hit enter, what happens, my analyst or the team member will receive a email as well as a notification if the app is existing in his device that I have invited to join this. And once they click, they will be added into this. Okay, similarly you can add like n number of peoples, 2, 5, 10. There is no limitations on it. So here also I have like task actions wherein I can choose sort by date, sort by priority, name, responsible person, import from template. If I have any templates, generally that will be into the ToDoist premium. Then export a template to CSV. Whatever things you have on this page, you will be exporting it directly into a CSV. Email task to this project. You will get an email key wherein if you can just enter a task name into a particular format and with a date and time, if you need a reminder or something, and just send an email to that particular link, the task will be auto added here. Obviously that's a different thing which is not covered in this, but even that is available. So let's start with basic task addition. The first thing like I'll do is I'll do analysis on what technology to use, hit enter, then I'll assign this to me for now, and I'll also schedule, for example today is January 14, I'll do as like January 16. I'll just add a space, I'll add at here, and I'll add time 10. So this is like Saturday 10 p.m. Okay, what do I need to do is daily scrums. Okay, you see this daily is automatically picked up when you write daily. So when I add a task, you will see that this is a recurring thing. The moment you add a daily, it automatically understands that yes, this is a daily cycle. What I'll do is I'll click it daily, I'll add a time here, okay, at 11. So I'll show the beauty here later, and I'll add this to analyst because he's a scrum master. He will be doing this exercise on a daily basis. Then I'll do like design mockups. I'll also choose a date for like let's start this from 18th, and I don't need a time here, so what I'll do is I'll add a end date here, like I need to be completed the mockups by 20th of Jan, which is end of my office timing, which is, let me write this in this 5:17. Okay, I'll add my designer into this and I will assign this task to him. Okay, then anything else like do the documentation, on feature list needed. Obviously I need this before the designer starts working on, so I'll do it 15 on a quick level, and now we'll see something like let's see this difference. Now this is a one project view. So another thing what I can do is here, like I can also click this icon and do some commenting. I can also like let's start with this to a I have already initiated, but I need more time. Let's assume that this is a comment from my analyst, and you can also do attachments if you have a premium account. You can also send a voice note if you have a premium account. You can also add smileys, which is free. Okay, so here I have my comment. The moment someone comments on task, I'll get a notification here. I will show all these notifications once I'm done with it. I will log in with my analyst account and I will show it to you. Okay, now I come to today, no task for today, next 7 days. Okay, So I'm done with the basic setup of my initial level of the week 1, and now what I'll do is I'll see my today. Okay, I don't have any task for today. If I have any, I'll show it. I'll choose next 7 days. So it shows like 3 tasks are available for me. So generally I assign only one task on me, which is already mentioned, assigned to director E. But what about this? I haven't assigned it to anyone. That's the reason that is displaying in my list as well. The moment I assign it to someone, this will just go off into his account. But if you wish to see all the tasks, you can directly go into the project directly and you'll see all the things there. Similarly, this I haven't assigned the designer yet, so this is showing to me. And this same, which are not assigned to anyone, it will also show in my analyst account. Okay, similarly, I keep on adding projects, adding a team, assigning things, and everything. If I want something personal, I'll generally add it into my personal. I'll add the task there, I'll manage the things here, and this is very simple, is done. You can also have a search here, like whatever you can search, like whatever, if I'm doing this documentation, I get this task here. I also have the option to click here that yes, I've completed this. Okay, so this is very simple to complete. Just click on this, it is done. And now we also saw a scrum. Okay, it's not showing because I've assigned it. Let me do it unassigned. Okay, so I come here, I have this scrum. You remember this was a daily and a recurring scrum. So I click this complete. I'll get the scrum on a Saturday. When I'm done on Saturday, it will come on Sunday. If I'm done on Sunday, it will come on Monday. So you can add like n number of things. You can do it weekdays, you can do it on alternate days, you can do it daily, etc. Type anything and it will accept it. So one thing which I had missed, that is karma points. Karma points is one of the beautiful thing in this ToDoist, which I personally love very much, because this shows how I work, what is my productivity, how much task I have completed, and everything. So there are some set of levels in ToDoist, like 0 to 500 that will be beginner, and it goes on till this, like 50,000 plus plus. So as my activities increases on the system, it gathers more karma points, and this is what makes me feel proud. Like if I talk about my original account in ToDoist, I'm at 10,000 plus, so I'm at this level. So even you can see your productivity, how good you are doing, how bad you are doing, what are the labels. Like even the productivity counts goes down, the more actions you perform in a right way, it increases. If you leave some task overdue more than 3 days, it will reduce your karma points. So it's very difficult to gain karma points also. So now I'm done with this project, so I can do like edit, share project. I can directly email task to this project, archives. Okay, let me show this. Although this is a premium feature, but one premium is not so expensive. It's just $30 per annum, so which is very simple. So I can also leave a project, I can also archive this project. The moment I archive it, everything goes down. So most of the things have been covered, and these are the filters wherein I can set the priority. Okay, if I didn't show it up, this is the priority level. Reminders you won't be able to use as of now, because uh, you will be needing a premium account. Move to history, move to another project, link to a task. This particular task can be linked to someone else. Delete task. Now you can also, this is scheduled tomorrow, so you can do it today. You can postpone it on Saturday, because tomorrow is Friday as per my calendar. So Friday is obviously tomorrow, so it's not showing tomorrow, it's showing postponed to Saturday. Next week starts from Monday and more. wherein you get a custom option what you have to do. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just log this out and I will show you the analyst account of mine wherein we have received the moment it takes time. I'll show you the extensions and the availability of this ToDoist. It's on Android phone, tablet, Android watch, iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, Chromebook, MacBook, Windows, Google Chrome extension, Firefox extension, Gmail extension, as well as the Outlook extension. This is one of the very big support we have. Please bear with me if my internet works slow. Okay, so you see this, I have this notification here. EditWorld invited to develop Facebook. I have accepted this now. Invitation accepted. You get a notification from browser. Now I can see the task, next 7 days. Okay, no matter I'm a part of this team, but I also have the rights to assign the person. Okay, although I cannot assign it to director because he is the main person to do this, but I can assign it to me or someone else. I can do it this way and leave this for now. So this is how it works. It shows everything. It gives you information about everything. It shows about you joined this, and the moment the analyst account got accepted, the director will receive a notification that analyst have accepted. Now the task can be managed more easily. When you don't select anything and any project and hit enter, it will automatically get added into inbox. There are many other features into this, but I wish you can go through it personally and check it out. If you have any questions, you can just email us at inquiry at editworld.in and mention that subject as ToDoist query. So I will be waiting for your responses, and I hope you have much knowledge as of now, but obviously reading something or listening to something doesn't make us perfect. We need to give a practice. We need to try it once to understand in a better way. Anyways, thank you for taking out your time, and it was really good to explain ToDoist for everyone. Thank you very much.